Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of understanding real estate wholesaling. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Finding properties to wholesale overview. In this model, you will learn how to identify target markets and areas for wholesaling, strategies for finding off-market properties, and how to evaluate potential properties for wholesale deals. Identifying target markets and areas for wholesaling. Wholesalers should focus on areas that are likely to have distressed properties or motivated sales. This might include neighborhoods that are undergoing redevelopment, areas with high foreclosure rates, or areas with a lot of older properties that are in need of renovation. Strategies for finding off-market properties. Off-market properties are those that are not listed on the multiple listing service, the MLS, or other public listing services. To find those properties, wholesalers may need to get creative. Some strategies for finding off-market properties include direct email campaigns. Wholesalers can send letters or postcards to homeowners who may be interested in selling their properties. Direct mail campaigns are a marketing strategy employed by wholesalers to reach out to homeowners who may be interested in selling their properties. This approach involves sending letters or postcards directly to the targeted individuals' homes, aiming to capture their attention and generate leads for potential real estate deals. Driving for dollars. Driving for dollars is a popular strategy employed by wholesalers in the real estate industry. It involves physically driving through neighborhoods or specific target areas in search of distressed or vacant properties that may present potential investment opportunities. Networking. Wholesalers can build relationships with real estate agents, attorneys, and other professionals who may have inside knowledge of upmarket properties. Networking plays a crucial role in the success of wholesalers in the real estate industry. By actively building relationships with various professionals in the field, wholesalers can gain valuable insights and access to off-market properties. Real estate wholesaling websites. Explore real estate wholesaling websites that connect wholesalers with motivated sellers. These platforms are often provide access to off-market properties and can be a valuable resource for finding potential deals. Social media. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram to connect with property owners and real estate professionals. Join real estate groups, share valuable content, and engage with potential sellers who may express interest in selling off market. Evaluating potential properties for wholesale deals. Before contracting a property for wholesale, wholesalers should evaluate its potential profitability. Some factors to consider include condition of the property. Wholesalers should consider the cost of any repairs or renovations that will be necessary to make the property marketable. The condition of the property directly impacts its marketability and potential profit margins. Neighborhood. Wholesalers should evaluate the neighborhood in terms of safety, schools, and amenities, as these factors can affect the resale value of the property. Also, a property's location has a significant impact on its marketability and resale value. Market demand. Wholesalers should research the local real estate market to determine if there is demand for the type of property they are considering wholesaling. Comparable sales. Wholesalers should research recent sales of similar properties in the area to determine a fair market price for the property they are considering wholesaling.